Your presentation design is what instantly changes how people see your idea. I'm going to show you a template that turns any ordinary slide deck into something modern and truly professional. This template can save you hours of work and make your content look polished from the very first slide. Key features. Cover slide. This is how cover slide looks. Your first impression matters. That's why the cover section features bold typography and amazing shapes work. Editable elements. All the text and pictures are customizable, so you can create your own pitch deck easily. Charts included. You get the link to the charts, so you can easily customize them as you like. I think Canva is much easier if you want to create some charts. Some text on the charts is easily editable. Key slides. So, first we have the cover slide, then agenda that describes the outline of your presentation. This is the section divider. Also, you can use it to explain small information, something like this. So for you team intro, this is the slide. Then we have some content slides. 1, 2. This is for the statistics. On one side, you can add some text. On the other we have a chart. This slide can be adjusted as you like. Maybe 4 different points or some images as designed here. For some timeline information, this is the slide that can be used. Again, some statistics or maybe content slide. Lastly, you get contact info and thank you slides. If you want your presentations to stand out without spending hours designing each slide, this template will make a real difference. You can grab it from the Etsy or Patreon links below and start using it right after downloading. Thanks for watching.